Namaste. Let us practice 10 minutes Hatha Yoga sequence. Slowly come to Dandasana across the mat. Now breathe in, lift your both hands up. Stretch your spine completely. Then breathe out, slowly bend forward. Look forward, look at your toes. Hold your both feet if possible. Can stay here for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep breathing, do not hold the breath. Can stay there. Feel the nice stretch on your back. Now breathe in, slowly lift your both hands up. And breathe out, release your hands. Now we'll practice Janu Asana. Fold your right leg. Touch your right sole to the left thigh, left inner thigh. Now breathe in, lift your both hands up. Stretch your spine. Breathe out, bend forward. Hold your left foot. Look at your toe. Stay there. Now breathe in, slowly come up. Breathe out, release your hands. Release your leg. Now we'll do it with the other leg. Fold your left leg. Touch your left sole to the right inner thigh. Now breathe in, lift your both hands up. Breathe out, bend forward. Hold your right foot, look at your toe, stay there for 10 to 15 seconds. Normal breath. Now breathe in, lift your both hands up. And breathe out, release your hands. Release your leg. Now come to Baddha Konasana. Fold your both legs. Bring your heels closer to your perineum. Stay here. Keep your spine straight. Stay for 10 to 15 seconds. Now place your both palms on your thighs. Slowly try to push your thighs towards the ground. If possible, try to touch your knees on the ground. Feel the nice stretch on inner thigh muscles. Now slowly release your hands. Release your legs. Release the tension. Make the legs up and down. Then left and right. Now slowly come to Vajrasana. Fold your right leg. Then fold your left leg. Stay there for few seconds. Feel the nice stretch on your thighs and the ankles. Now we'll practice Ustrasana. Slowly come on your knees. Lift your right hand. Breathe in, lift your right hand up. Breathe out, hold your right heel. Breathe in, lift your left hand up. Hold your left heel. Stay there. Push your tummy forward. If you feel giddiness, you can release it, but otherwise you can stay for 10 to 15 seconds. Now breathe in, lift your right hand up, then left hand up, and breathe out, release your hands, relax in child pose. Stretch your hands forward. Drop your chin just on the ground. Now slowly come to Vajrasana. Drop your both palms on the ground, come to table pose. Then plank. Tuck your toes in, come to plank. Stay here. Buttocks down slightly. Stay for 10 to 15 seconds. Now drop your knees, come to Ashtanga, just chin on the ground. Stay here again 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe in Bhujanga. Lift your chin just up to navel, it should be on the ground. Feel the nice stretch on your lower back. Feel the nice stretch on your abdomen. Then breathe out, slowly release, relax in Makarasana. Place your both palms one on one. Keep your legs apart about 1 foot distance, toes outside, heels inside. Rest your head on your palms, close your eyes. After relaxing for few seconds, we'll practice Dhanurasana. Fold, join your both legs, open your eyes. Slowly take your both hands to back side, hold your both ankles, right ankle with your right hand, left ankle with your left hand. Now breathe in, slowly lift your knees, thighs, chin, chest as much as you can. Stay here, bow posture. Normal breath, do not hold the breath. Now breathe out slowly, release your legs. Relax in Makarasana. Now we'll practice Superman pose, Viparita Shalabhasana. Stretch your both hands forward, join your both legs. Now breathe in, lift your hands, chin, chest, legs, knees, thighs if possible. Lift as much as you can and stay for 10 to 15 seconds. Again, do not hold the breath. Then breathe out, slowly release. Relax in Makarasana. Now we'll practice Anantasana. Slowly join your both legs, open your eyes. Slowly turn to one side. Take the head support with your hand. Now breathe in, lift your leg up. Hold your big toe, then slowly straighten it up. Then stay for 10 to 15 seconds. Then slowly breathe out, release your leg, release your hand. Then we'll do it other side. Slowly turn to other side. Now breathe in, lift your leg up, hold your big toe, then slowly straighten the leg. You can hold for 10 to 15 seconds again. Then slowly breathe out, release your leg. Now lie down on your back. Now we'll practice Udara Karshana. Fold your right leg, stretch your both hands side of your shoulders. Keep it on your left thigh. Hold your right knee with your left hand and slowly push towards the ground. Look opposite side. If possible, touch your knee on the ground. Stay for 10 to 15 seconds. Now breathe out, slowly come to center. Breathe in center and breathe out, release your leg. Now we'll do it other side. Breathe in, slowly fold your leg. Keep it on your right thigh. Hold your left knee with your right hand. Slowly push towards the ground. Look opposite side. You can hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Then breathe in, slowly come to center and breathe out, release your leg. I will practice Setu Bandhasana. Fold your both legs. Hold your ankles. Now breathe in, slowly lift your buttocks up, middle back. Lift as much as you can. Again hold the Setu Bandhasana for 10 to 15 seconds. Then exhale, slowly release. Now we'll practice Pavana Muktasana. Fold your both knees. Interlock your fingers. Hold your both knees. Pull your both knees towards the chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly take your chin towards the knees. Stay for 10 to 15 seconds again. And breathe out. Slowly release your head. Release your legs. And relax in Shavasana. Keep your legs apart, hands away from the body, and relax.